2012. These last 3 years at Mission Hill have been truly great. I really enjoyed things like playing the drum in the band, being on the basketball team, and going to the talent shows and dances. But more importantly, it is the people at this school who have made my time here so special by providing me with learning, laughter, and support. I am lucky to have so many great friends. They always have my back and make sure that I am included. Thank you to all my friends. The teachers and staff at Mission Hill are awesome. They are always so friendly and encouraging. Thank you to all of the teachers and staff, and my two aides, Tim and Clay. A special shout out to Mr. A for his friendship and inspiration. I am lucky to live in such a great community. Thank you, and I love you.
Thank you, Jerry, and thank you, Mrs. Lipton. And now...